Hey guys, welcome back to another Sunday Fun Day challenge, and with me is Sim.
Hi guys! Today we're doing a challenge what's called the Whisper Challenge, or also known as Read My Lips. And this challenge, Bob and I alternatively will be wearing headphones with music blasting, and the other person that does not have the headphones on, he can either sing a song or say a dialogue, and I have to guess or he has to guess what the other is saying.
So basically क्या होगा कि इसके अंदर हम दोनों में से कोई बंदा एक हेडफोन्स डाला होगा और उसको गेस करना होगा कि दूसरा बंदा क्या बोल रहा है. वो हिंदी भी हो सकती है, वो पंजाबी भी हो सकती है, वो इंग्लिश भी हो सकती है. So we have tried that and it was coming out very funny. So we thought that there is a need that we can just record this as a video and throw it out, and you guys, if you like it, you can play with your friends and family.
Yeah. So who's gonna go first?
Well, we always have the game.
This is called like a thumb challenge.
It's like a thumb wrestling.
Yeah, thumb wrestling.
Thumb
That's
wrestling,
it. That's it. Thumb wrestling.
So
we're gonna do thumb wrestling, and whoever wins gets to go first.
Or maybe he has a call. He has a call that he can go first, or he can have you go first if I win.
Yep.
Okay.
If I win.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
I win!
She win.
And I choose that he gets to wear the headphones first.
Oh,
And
dang,
I will say-
no!
And I will say.
Okay, let's do that.
Ready?
Go, let's go.
Can you hear me?
I can't hear anything.
Are you sure? What do I think?
That's not good. That's the worst song ever. Okay.
Ready? Okay.
That's not a good song. तू तक तूतियां. तू तक. No, I need to see the lips. तू तक तूतियां. What the fuck was that? What was that? Oh shit! I think it's someone's teeth.
No?
Oh,
You got the song totally wrong. Singer totally wrong. Doesn't count.
Now your turn. Let's see.
My head is too tiny for the.
No, we have to
Here,
sing.
fix it.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it? मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ.
मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ.
Oh God! How can you do that? Okay, now my turn.
भाग अर्जुन तू भाग. भाग अर्जुन. भाग अर्जुन तू भाग. भाग अर्जुन. अर्जुन तू
I have
भाग.
no idea. I have no.
भाग भाग अर्जुन. अर्जुन तू भाग. भाग.
चुम्मा चुम्मा.
No. भाग अर्जुन तू भाग. भाग अर्जुन.
Can you sing it?
It's not a song. It's a
Okay, try
dialogue.
one more time.
भाग अर्जुन तू भाग. भाग अर्जुन.
I don't know, man.
भाग अर्जुन तू भाग.
Oh God, man.
We just heard it today.
I don't know. I'm sorry. कौन कम वक्त बर्दाश्त करने को?
कौन कम वक्त बर्दाश्त करने को?
Are you freaking kidding me? No! This is cheating! This is cheating! You have seen this! You have seen
I
this!
swear to God, I have.
How do you freaking?
I'm just genius.
Okay.
Do you hear how loud this is? How do you think I possibly hear you?
I need to win this one.
कितने आदमी थे? कितने आदमी थे? कितने आदमी थे?
कितने आदमी थे? Anyways, the points are 2-1. I'm back in the game. कुत्ते मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा. कुत्ते मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा. कुत्ते मैं तेरा खून पी
You have to
जाऊंगा.
say it again.
कुत्ते मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा. कुत्ते मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा.
Something तो क्या होगा?
कुत्ते मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा. I'm feeling this. कुत्ते मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा.
कुत्ते में तेरा खून.
Are you freaking kidding me? That's not that.
That is?
कुत्ते मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा. 3-1 now.
किते साडी गली पुल के भी आया करो साडी गली पुल के भी आया करो साडी गली पुल के भी
साडी गली पुल के भी आए, साडी गली पुल के भी आया करो. 2. So what's the score?
2,
3.
3.
And it's your turn now.
It's okay, I'll just hold it.
Okay. प्रेम नाम है मेरा, प्रेम चोपड़ा.
What?
प्रेम नाम है मेरा, प्रेम चोपड़ा.
दोबारा बोलो.
Third time. प्रेम नाम है मेरा, प्रेम चोपड़ा. Fourth time. प्रेम नाम है मेरा, प्रेम चोपड़ा. No?
No.
You give up?
Yeah, I give up.
प्रेम नाम है मेरा, प्रेम चोपड़ा.
बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें तो होती रहती हैं. बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें तो होती रहती हैं. Super easy.
बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं, सेनोरिटा.
Got it.
3-3.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
See,
It's competitive.
Go easy on him.
No, it's not easy.
It is.
You've written that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Huh.
1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Third time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Last. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor.
1, 2, 3, 4, and fast forward.
Okay, take it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor. It's wrong.
You weren't singing. You were just saying it like dialogue.
No, I was like 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
I didn't get it. Okay.
So the fourth one.
Yep. अखियाँ मिलाऊं कभी अखियाँ चुराऊं क्या तूने किया जादू. अखियाँ मिलाऊं कभी अखियाँ चुराऊं क्या तूने किया जादू. अखियाँ मिलाऊं कभी अखियाँ चुराऊं क्या तूने किया जादू.
जादू. Some जादू.
अखियाँ मिलाऊं कभी अखियाँ चुराऊं क्या तूने किया जादू.
कभी अखियाँ मिलाऊं कभी अखियाँ चुराऊं क्या तूने किया जादू. 4-3. I got this, man. So the fifth last. मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी.
What?
Second. मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी.
मैं क्या तू क्या.
मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी. टिंग 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 टिंग. नहीं, हम दोनों हैं अलग अलग, हम दोनों हैं जुदा.
Your lips are not even moving.
Okay. मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी. टिंग 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 टिंग. मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी. मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी.
When you first do it, you're like, and no. Your lips moving.
Oh.
Yeah. दीवाने दीवाने तो दीवाने हैं. दीवाने दीवाने तो दीवाने.
दीवाने दीवाने तो दीवाने हैं. I got it.
You win. Yeah.
Wow, I did so well. I can freaking go in the Olympics on this.
Alright, so this was our Sunday Fun Day challenge, and he won. He won fair and square. So we'll be seeing you guys next week with another couple challenge. In the meantime, don't forget to keep living life
Loud and proud.
Yep.
Know that. See ya. Bye. Take care.